to the channel. Today, we will be, well, there's been, like, these weird noises around my house. So, today we will be looking at what it is. Let's go see. Because I keep hearing, like, weird noises. I don't know what it is. It's coming from over there. That fence over there. Oh, and happy early Christmas to everybody. Okay, I'm in my alley right now. You hear like noises that sound like they're coming from a dog. That is definitely a dog. I hear voices. I hear freaking voices. Gonna have to put the camera. Turn it so I can climb up. Keep this noted. I have no idea. I see a dog. I see a dog. I see a dog. I don't know if y'all can see it through the branches, but I see like a freaking dog. Oh, that dog is so cute. Oh, Jesus. Voices again. I found out it was a dog. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Oh, and also if I don't post in a while, just know the people probably have saw me. Now they're coming to get me. Peace out. Oh, hi, it's me again. Just so you know, if you didn't see or hear me, that thing that I was hearing noises from, it was a dog, and those voices were people talking about the dog. I guess the dog is new. I don't know. It was just weird because I kept hearing noises. So, yeah. Peace out. Oh wait, wrong way.